If you're looking to export a video with subtitles in Descript, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, and ensure that you're making the most out of this powerful tool. Whether you're new to Descript or just need a refresher, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add and export subtitles like a pro. First off, if you're not familiar with Descript, it's a super intuitive video editing software that combines transcription, video editing, and even podcasting. You can use this software completely free through the first link below, where you'll also get exclusive bonuses. But before we dive into how to export your video with subtitles, let me show you how easy it is to get started. Once you've uploaded your video into Descript, you'll want to let the software automatically transcribe it. This feature is incredibly accurate and saves you tons of time. After the transcription is ready, you can see a complete text version of your video. Now, here's the cool part. Descript allows you to work directly with this text to make edits to your video. It's like editing a document, and the video edits happen automatically. Now let's get to the main event, exporting your video with subtitles. First, click on the video you want to export. Then go to the Publish tab at the top right of the screen. You'll see an option that says Export. From here, select your preferred video format, whether it's MP4, MOV, or whatever suits your needs. But here's the key part. Under Captions, you want to make sure you check the box that says Include Subtitles. This will automatically embed the subtitles into your video file. You can also choose to export the subtitles separately, as an SRT file if you prefer. Before you hit Export, you can adjust the subtitles to make sure everything looks perfect. Descript allows you to tweak the timing, font, and size of your subtitles, so you can fine-tune everything to match your video perfectly. After everything looks good, click Export and wait for the software to generate your video with subtitles. It won't take long, and once it's done, you'll have a video file that's ready to upload to YouTube or wherever else you want to share it. As promised, the software is available for you to try completely free by using the link below, where you'll also unlock our exclusive bonuses. This means you can dive into all these features without any commitment and see firsthand how powerful Descript is for editing videos with subtitles. In conclusion, exporting a video with subtitles in Descript is incredibly easy, and it's one of the reasons this software is a must-have for anyone working with video content. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor, Descript's intuitive interface makes this process a breeze. Don't forget to check out the exclusive extended free trial with our link below. Happy editing!